Good day, I am Rosie May Magales Odusta. I am 34 years old. I live in Bahay Pare, Magkawayan City, Bulacan. I am single with live-in partner. I have 3 children, ages 7, 4, and 2 years old. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am second in the family. I am college graduate in Associate of Computer Science last 2011. I have local experience in Manila with a working couple and 2 children. My main duty is to send kids to school, marketing, cooking, do the household chores like washing laundry and cleaning. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I am willing to learn. To my future employer, if you will going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract. I will treat you like my own family. I will extend if you need me. And I am hardworking and trustworthy. Thank you very much.